Here's a 2019 Cadillac XT5 Luxury, 23,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in black. Really nice mid-size luxury top-level trim SUV here. Just going to kind of walk the car, show you some of the highlights and features. See a good looking sleek front end there with some brushed aluminum highlights, classic Cadillac badging there on the front end, high intensity headlamps with the smoked lens reflectors behind, LED markers and driving lights in the lower bumper fascia. Coming around to the side, multi-spoke alloy wheel. Tires here about half or so. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. Do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed up by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Look through the passenger side front seat here. You can see nice chrome doors, so entry yards, full power seat including lumbar 10-way, ebony leather, 2 bucket seats. See the Cadillac badging there in the back. Automatic floor shifter in between, and otherwise kind of black on black interior here. You can see we do have the slush mats there all the way around, help protect the interior. As we come around to the back, so you want to see all the doors have the button that allows you to lock and unlock with one touch as long as the proximity key is present. See very, very spacious and roomy rear seat area. Plenty of leg, hip, and shoulder room. Also does have the flow-through center console with the, looks like the USB or power outlet down there below. Help keep your rear occupants comfortable and connected. Michelin tires all the way around here, like I said, about half tread or better. And like I say, brand new brakes all the way around, brakes and rotors on this vehicle. Coming around to the back, one thing you'll notice, 360, it's on the front and the rear. We do have your ultrasound park assist. This is a 3.6 liter V6 all-wheel drive XT5, and it does have a power liftgate. One button will put it up. You can also access it with a key fob, which I'll show you directly. It does have 40-20-40 fold down on the rear seats. Do have a power supply here. Your spare tire is actually just an air pump there with some cargo area below with tire sealant. Also looks like we might have a integrated flashlight there on the side as well. Simple button will put down the hatch. Come around to the other side, just again showing you all Michelin's. Wheels are in good shape, and like I said, new brakes all the way around. Very clean interior as well. Put my sniffer in here. There's no foul odors, smoke smell. Seems as though the previous owner was a non-smoker. No rips, tears, or stains on the interior either. And again, full power 10-way seat on the driver's side as well. Also, we do have your classic positioning of your windows, your power mirrors, power folding. We got your memory seats as well as your door locks. Do have height adjustment there on the rear hatch as well. Also want to show you the keys. We do promise 2. I have one here right now. You can see it is equipped with keyless entry, factory remote start, and a power liftgate and panic. Go ahead and hop in. Put foot in the brake. Start up the car. While the car warms up, I want to show you. Now, I did say one owner. Oh, turn down the volume just a little bit here on the radio. There we go. Just don't want to completely drown out my we'll just mute it all together. Completely drowned out my voice here. Sound system sounds good though. But you can see here, no accidents. Now it says 2 owners on the Carfax. I said 1 at the open. That's just because, as you can see, the second owner was a dealer, only 1 month. First owner 2 years and 4 months on a personal lease. So it is a 1 owner vehicle. We do have the electronic parking brake and the dimmer for your interiors. Also have your headlamp controls on the outside stem, automatic headlamp setting as well, high beams, turn signals. Does have your Bluetooth, your cruise control, all your safety features for collision, lane departure, and a heated steering wheel. Also, this is your control for your center display, which is customizable, and your audio controls on the steering wheel. The right stem is your intermittent wiper washers. Rear controls are on the end. Is equipped with AM, FM satellite radio. Also the ability to pair your phone. Your factory navigation, your phone, factory navigation, and then your climate control, dual climate control as well. Also is equipped with your heated leather seats. And you can see on the driver's side and on the passenger side. Now it's a little warm as I do this video here. There you go. But like I say, AC's blowing nice and cold, feels good in here. Also heated cup holders as well, which is a nice touch. Got your floor shifter, got your different modes, your all-wheel drive, driving modes, and your traction control. In here we got your cradle for your cellular. We also got your USBs, auxiliary power supplies. It is equipped with a panoramic roof over both levels of seating. They're all controlled up here, as well as your LED map lights. Of course, all GM vehicles come with OnStar. We do have your auto dim on your rear view mirror, and we do have illuminated visors both on the driver and the passenger side, as you can see there. So, oh, and also has blind spot. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, 3.6 liter V6 engine here. There you have it. Very quiet, clean, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. See, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Low mileage vehicle. And it looks like a brand new engine bay in there, as you can see. Let's shut the vehicle off here. We'll get into the last portion of the video. Now, just to recap, we had about half tread or better on the tires, all new brakes all the way around, one owner vehicle. The last part of making informed buying decision is Cosmetic Appearance. Beautiful black color here. Doesn't show any signs of prior paint. On this side here, a couple little chips up above. Just some dust. See, very clean as we look down that body line. No dings or dents, scuffs or scrapes. No real damage in the cargo area. Small little chip right there. Very, very clean vehicle. See the roof line there with the pano roof. Good shape. This body line looks good as well. There's a little chip. Really clean vehicle here. Lower bumper fascia looks good. A couple little minor chips there. Up on the hood as well. A little bit of bird damage. A couple little minor chips and scuffs. But all in all, guys, excellent like new alternative. Does still have the remainder of Cadillac's powertrain and comprehensive warranties transferable to the next owner, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or, of course, you can shop 24/7 online, www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.